Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the main Steam window appears, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu option labeled Steam. Go ahead and click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the Steam settings window where you can customize various aspects of your Steam experience. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll find a list of different categories. Click on Interface. This section contains all the visual and display-related settings for Steam, including how the client renders web content and other graphical elements. Now you'll need to scroll down through the interface settings until you find the option that says Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views Requires Restart. This feature allows Steam to use your graphics card to render web-based content within the client, which can improve performance and visual quality when browsing the Steam store or community pages. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. If you want to enable hardware acceleration, simply click the toggle switch to turn it on. The switch will move to the active position, indicating that GPU acceleration is now enabled. Once you've toggled it, you'll need to restart Steam for the changes to take effect. Click the Restart Now button that appears. This will close your Steam client completely and relaunch it. Now, you'll need to wait for Steam to fully load and then log into your account again. This process might take a little longer than usual, especially if Steam needs to apply the new rendering settings during startup. Be patient while the app opens and initializes all the new hardware acceleration features. Once you're back in, the GPU accelerated rendering will be active, and you should notice smoother performance when browsing web content within Steam. If you want to disable hardware acceleration, simply repeat the same process. Click Steam in the upper left corner, then select Settings. In the left panel, click Interface again. Scroll down until you find Enable GPU Accelerated Rendering in Web Views Requires Restart. Right beside it, you'll see the toggle switch, which should now be in the on position. Click the toggle to turn it off, disabling the hardware acceleration feature. Finally, click Restart Now to apply the changes. Steam will close and reopen, and once you log back in, hardware acceleration will be disabled. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable or disable hardware acceleration in Steam based on your preference. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.